Rokid Air AR Glasses User Guide. How to connect PlayStation to Rokid Air glasses. Hello everyone, this is Rokid AR Lab. Today, I provide you a tutorial on how to connect PS5 to our Rokid Air AR glasses. After days of deep experience, I have explored how to connect in many ways. Now, I have become a good player. Okay, let's get to the point. How to connect PlayStation 5 to Rokid Air glasses? There are two connection modes. One is direct connection, the other is streaming connection. First, let me introduce the direct connection. To connect, you need a PS series console, a Ugreen HDMI adapter cable, a micro cable, our Rokid Air AR glasses, a supplied USB-C cable. First, connect the console to the power supply. Connect the HDMI adapter cable to the HDMI output port of PS5. Connect one end of the micro cable to the micro power supply port of the Ugreen cable. Connect the other end to the USB port of PS5. And connect the USB-C cable of the glasses to the USB-C output port of the Ugreen cable and the other end to the USB-C port of the glasses. The above is the direct connection. This is the effect of connection. Next, turn on the device. Then I wear the glasses and adjust the glasses to a comfortable position. Now I can see the PS5 console in the glasses. I've always wanted to experience Red Dead Redemption 2 in the movie mode with AR glasses. Although black borders were added in the previous movie mode, and moving shots could be seen. After all, it's watching on my own TV screen, and it's not as interesting as this. With Rokid Air glasses, we watch something in the movie mode as if we were actually in the movie theater. The game is turned into an interactive movie. If you like this cinematic experience, you can also try the GTA movie mode or games like Detroit, Become Human. To experience the joy of being a director, if you are very fascinated by beautiful women, you can also try Nair in a Final Fantasy. After wearing AR glasses, you can see Tifa and Yoha No. 2 Type B. So you're no longer blocked by the screen. Instead, you are with them, with your No. 2 Type B at close range. Is it exciting to think about it? Also, I've been playing classics like God of War, Ghost of Tsushima, and Spider-Man recently with Rokid Air glasses. I can take care of my baby in Northern Europe, / Mongolian cavalry in Japan, deliver food in New York City, or lie on the sofa and look at the scenery after getting off work. It is really amazing. I recommend you guys experience it. In addition to the direct connection mode, I will teach you a good way to loaf on a job. It is to let you get rid of the shackles of PS5 through streaming of your PC or mobile phone. Then you can play a game anytime, anywhere. Next, I will introduce how to connect devices in this mode. First, you need to download PS Remote Play onto your PC or mobile phone. After downloading this application, log in with your account, click Connect, and connect the controller so you can wear the AR glasses to work. If your boss asks what you're wearing, you can say this is an eye massager. No one knows you're secretly playing a game. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any good suggestions or you want to learn other information, you are encouraged to leave a message to us. Then see you next time. Bye!